always have to do adjustments. And that's what cameras are for and microphones are for. Once you adjust and the camera, you're good to go to start your video. Hey, I'm Fish. Let you know my settings after factory reset. It should be 4K 60 frames per second, EV value on the negative 0.7 side. I'm not sure if anything else was changed or at all when the factory reset. Everything looked the norm when I looked back at the pro settings and all. You need a kid's bike? Oh man, everything's just left over here, and you can see how I'm just adjusting with the camera and the gimbal. With an action camera or a POV style Atto Nano, all you gotta do is just lift it up and you're good to go. Hey, unless you put on the camera a different setting to lock it on. Lock your camera, Fish. Lock it on. Well, I haven't used the follow me, lock it, and FPV style, and do all that stuff. I just don't have the time. No, I just don't do it. I got this camera basically for my primary camera and reviews and more. The Telesin field of view 112 degree wide angle lens. It's a strong magnet, not strong on the Muse. The Muse head doesn't have much of a hold, not much of a magnet on there. And if every time you do this and put it on, you're like, yeah, struggling to get it, it is what it is. It's meant to be comfortable to go on and off. But I don't want to trust it for the bike. Remote control start. Yes, indeed. And maybe one day extra get their mic coming out. Will it be a two-tone color? Or they just spitting a extra logo on there, making up something named MIC? I'm trying to adjust, make it straight. Fish. Just hit the selfie to go forward and back again. You'll get straightened out. Oh yeah, man. What name would they give the mic for the extra? Well, we already got for the Insta360 Mic Air. They're not going to call it the Mic Air because that'd be a conflict right there. You know what's going to happen. Will they go in the same exact style as the Mic 2 or the Mic Mini? How many mics are they going to put out? And what type of mic are you going to get? So that's why I think the DJI Mic 2, the Mic Mini, and the Mic Mini 3 may be the one just to get. Don't worry about being the extra family with the DJI mic that you want an extra mic. Maybe they should just make a mic cover and call it the extra cover. I have my camera, not 90 days yet, but well over 30 days. Doing a good job, happy with it, got nice quality using Cyberlink PowerDirector 365, and everything is coming together just nicely. Well, I was trying to edit, transfer my files, and I highlighted the wrong and hit delete, and there went those videos. So that's the end of that vlog. And here I am today with another vlog. Well, time for me to basically pick you up. How come you didn't pick one up yourself? Pick up a extra Muse, people. A little too late now because those sales are over. And when these cameras come out on sale, that's the time to get it. Well, for example, DJI GoPro Insta360, they never put their cameras on sale. They always charge at retail sale price. And eventually, they do go on sale. And that's when you pick one up. But the Muse, man, that was drastically dropped for everybody. Walk and talk. That's what we did today. We talked about things, and off we go. So it's time for me to go up and meet up with Joe and take care of Bizwax. And we're going to get some other videos going. Maybe I'll share in this video, put it behind here, show you what it looks like in the store, in a warehouse with the Atto. But we always try to do two parts, and that's what I think I'm going to go do next. Well, I am Fish. It's been a pleasure. Turn my mic off. and I'm getting on out. I'll see you on the next vlog. Walk and talk.